This gift basket was designed as a hostess gift. It is packed with gourmet treats and snacks made from the Washington, D.C. area and includes what I call a book of the history of Washington, D.C. At the top right, it actually is a tote bag that has the main focus of the icons of the nation's capital, the Washington Monument, and the White House, and with the sunshine beaming from the back. In case you want to know, the tote bag shape was kept with the styrofoam shape, enabling the design to showcase these icons. And of course, you have the USA flag on the left side. When you do this, it gives the 3D effect of your gift basket design. And you can do this too by placing the gift item or a portion of the gift item on the outside of your gift basket. Next, this gift basket was designed as a door prize for the Convention and Visitors Bureau of Washington, D.C. Each of the gift items is something celebrating our nation's capital. It is perfect for the 4th of July holiday as a door prize or as a silent auction or a hostess gift or a simple welcome to Washington, D.C. It sits inside of a handcraft woven basket with 2 coffee mugs, a planter stuffed with an ink pen and pencil, and a notepad. It also has 2 books and a sweat towel, all especially printed with Washington, D.C. and our nation's capital name on it. It is decorated with the colors of red, white, and blue and shows 2 flags. Unfortunately, one flag is reversed, but that was unintentionally in this design. I am just showing you what a design can look like. Now, this gift basket sits inside of a willow basket with more gourmet treats. It has various gift items from the Washington, D.C. area, including, if you notice, a notepad and ink pen set, which the notepad in the shape of the nation's capital. This gift basket was ordered as a housewarming gift to a business professional transferring to the Washington, D.C. area. What do you think? You can create something similar, huh? And this gift basket was created by a bank manager. She ordered 10 of these gift baskets for each of her branch locations. She stated that her customers wanted to know what they could do to get this gift basket. How exciting is that? Her bank had a special promotion for the 4th of July holiday, and she loved the idea of having gourmet treats from the Washington, D.C. area. This gift basket is stuffed inside of a festive top hat, which is the base of the design. As you can see, it is decorated with the U.S. colors red, white, and blue. And after the first 10 gift baskets were ordered, the manager requested more of this gift basket design. You see, you can sell gift baskets to a number of business types. If you want to know more about where and how to market your gift basket business and service to corporate clients, consider becoming a founding member of our school group. This link is in the description. There is no charge to join at the moment. Once we reach 50 members or have completed the foundations of the group, it will become a paid group. Upcoming in the group will be courses, design techniques, live calls, tips, and promotions, but most importantly, support from other gift basket business owners and gift basket professionals. And we will see you in the next video.